If you want to make your LibreOffice presentations more engaging and visually clear, callout shapes are a great way to highlight important points, add labels, or draw attention to specific parts of your slide. In this video, I'll show you how to add callout shapes in LibreOffice quickly and easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, start menu, or application folder, depending on your device. Once LibreOffice opens, go ahead and open the presentation where you want to add the callout shape. If you already have a slideshow in progress, just load that file so you can work directly on the slide you want to edit. Now, look at the toolbar area just above your presentation. You should see a rectangular box icon that looks a little like a CAD box or speech bubble tool. This is where LibreOffice keeps the shape options. Click on that icon and a list of available shapes should appear. From the menu, select the callout shape you want to use. LibreOffice gives you different shape styles, so you can choose the one that best fits your design. You might want a simple speech bubble, a callout with a pointer, or another style that helps direct attention to a specific area of your slide. After selecting the shape, click and drag on the slide to place it where you want it. If you want to add more than one callout, you can double-click the shape tool to keep inserting additional shapes without having to select it again and again. That's a helpful trick when you need several callouts on the same slide. Once the shape is on the slide, you can usually resize it, move it around, and customize it to fit your presentation. You can add text inside the callout, change its color, and adjust the outline so it matches the rest of your slide design. This is especially useful if you're creating a professional presentation, a training deck, or a classroom lesson. Take a moment to position the shape properly so it points to the right content. A well-placed callout can make your presentation much easier to understand and more visually polished. If the shape feels too large or too small, just adjust it until it looks right. And that's it. You now know how to add callout shapes in LibreOffice. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how your slides look and how clearly your message comes across. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.